Welcome back, guys, to another video. I'm going to be making orange cranberry cake. Allow me to introduce you to my ingredients. Come on, subscribe. So here I have 6 eggs. I have 1 cup of cranberry, creative, unique, skillful, salt, and she's different. All-purpose flour, oranges, don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. 1.5 clean and everything neat and delicious. Lemon in a Carla's Kitchen. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I cracked my eggs into this bowl. So to this bowl, I am going to be adding the orange zest, the sugar, and the lemon zest. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 whole orange. Support the thing, share! Carla's Kitchen CC, you hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah. You just need a little bit of lemon zest, okay? So that much will do. So here I'm dumping the sugar. Okay guys, so now that I have everything in my bowl so far, I'm going to be mixing this for 10 minutes, okay? On low. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to prepare my orange juice. Okay guys, so I will be using 3/4 cup of orange juice. I'm gonna pour the orange juice in this bowl. Okay, to the orange juice I will be adding 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Pour it in the mixture. And I'm going to mix it on low for about 4 minutes. Okay, so here's the cranberry, and I'm going to put the cranberry in this bowl because I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the cranberry. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side and I'm going to prepare the dry ingredients. I'm going to be using 3 cups of flour. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So here I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And now I'm going to be adding the cranberries. Wow, they are beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add just a pinch of my lemon essence in here. This will kick up the flavor more. So here's my baking pan, and I'm using the silicone baking pan. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my batter in here. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to take the cake from the oven. it off. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Isn't this lovely? And here are the little heart babies over here. Yes, looks so good. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna dress up the cake. I'm gonna make a little glaze for it, and I'm gonna dress it up, so I will be right there. So here's the glaze, guys, and all I have in there is just a little bit of icing sugar, a little orange juice, some lemon zest, and a little bit of lemon juice. Here you have it, guys. Very beautiful cake right here. Orange or cranberry cake. Very, very beautiful. Looks so yummy. Look at it. Very nice. And these are the little friends over here. These are the little friends. So beautiful for the Christmas. Put it on your table while we are guests with this amazing orange cranberry cake. Like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Touch my post notification bell so you will not miss out on another yummy recipe. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate everyone that supports my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. To all the new subscribers, I welcome you, of course, with a warm welcome. Happy that you're here. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Take good care of yourselves. Be kind, walk good, do good, and good will always follow you. Don't forget to comment on the video as well. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye.